Unraveling the meanings of Changeup. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the English language and unlock the secrets to mastering it. Today, we have a fascinating topic in store for you. We are going to dive deep into the meaning of the phrase, Changeup. Whether you're a language learner, a baseball enthusiast, or just curious, stay tuned as we unravel the different contexts in which this phrase can be used. The term, changeup, originates from baseball, where it refers to a type of pitch. A changeup is thrown by a pitcher to look like a fast pitch, but it arrives at the plate more slowly. The goal is to deceive the batter, making them swing early and miss the ball or hit it weakly. In simpler terms, it's a clever trick used in sports to outsmart the opponent. While changeup has its roots in baseball, it has transcended the sports field and found its way into everyday language. In a broader context, a changeup can refer to any unexpected change or shift in a situation or plan. For example, if a meeting was planned to discuss one topic but suddenly shifts to another, you could refer to this unexpected change as a changeup. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use changeup in a sentence. 1. Baseball context. The pitcher threw a changeup, completely fooling the batter. 2. General use. Our boss threw us a changeup in today's meeting by changing the agenda last minute. Notice how in both sentences, changeup refers to an unexpected change or shift, creating a moment of surprise or the need for quick adaptation. When using changeup, it's important to ensure that it fits the context of an unexpected or strategic change. Avoid using it to describe routine or anticipated changes, as this could confuse your audience. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, changeup. Remember, language is all about context, and understanding these subtleties can really take your English skills to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.